Hello and welcome to this introduction to even dimensions, the fastest way to ensure Retina images have even dimensions. Okay, first thing to do, install Even Dimensions Pro. Then go to Plugins, Even Dimensions Pro, and make sure it's visible. Making sure Retina images have even dimensions. This is a fairly common task for a front-end dev. Here I've got some double-sized image assets I'm exporting using Photoshop Generate Assets. They are 2x for Retina displays, which means in build the screen dimensions will be halved to increase the pixel density of each image, making them look sharper on high pixel density displays. Sometimes generated assets might have odd pixel dimensions, which means when you half size them as mentioned, you can end up with subpixel rendering issues that cause images to look slightly blurred, completely defeating the point of double sizing images in the first place. With Even Dimensions Pro, you can open a folder of exported images and in one click, resize the ones with odd dimensions, either expanding or contracting based on your use case. In this case, I want to use expand to avoid clipping the artwork. Even Dimensions Pro will process all open documents and skip ones that already have an even width and height, only processing documents that have odd values, saving them and closing them afterwards. When you have hundreds of images to check and adjust, this can speed things up significantly. Thanks for watching. Any thoughts, issues, let me know in the comments below.